It is in tunnels.
Where is it, in Austria?
In Austria, and there's a high mountain pass road for each one of the tunnels. But they always have avalanche and the roads are blocked. So they just bore through the mountains. Like everywhere, wherever there is avalanche danger, they just dig right through the mountains. And they charge you like $5 to go through that whole section. But if you want to save the $5, you can spend probably another 3 to 4 extra hours driving that 43 miles. Because you go up one narrow road, like super tight slip back. Keep going.
What are you doing?
Bio.
Okay. Raspberries looks like to me. Not sure though. Nope, not yet. It's probably too soon, I suspect. I've seen quite a few of them along the way. If I were a bear, I might hang out here.
Put like a couple of 2x4s on the top and make it a little flat and bigger. You get a bird nest without one of these predatory birds. Yeah.
Oh.
You think they're raspberries?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a tree. It doesn't look like a creeper. Maybe dogwood, something like that. Dog, whatever.
Well, we got pictures of it, so hopefully that's a western dayflower there, I think. Some claret cup cactus up there. Those always stand out. They're so pretty. Well, you can't see it now. And let's see. Yeah. They're so pretty. Yeah, it could be, because look at where the ferns are there. Oh, look, there's a stream, you guys. There's water.
Babbling brook. Babbling brook.
Oh, I like the sound. Nice, huh?
Hey, look, Angela, there's some weird flowers over there.
I think that's a flax, or not a flax, but something like a flax. No, I load it with plenty of water. I like to have plenty of water just in case, and also because that way when I switch to my regular pack, the extra weight doesn't seem quite as dramatic.
like, there's somebody else on the trail.
Oh, look. There's a stop. Yeah, look up there.
Oh, there's somebody else there.
That's the second one we run into. The stone structure there. I wonder what's up with that. S2. I would say Forest Service, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Probably where they're marked.
Oh, you know what?
Reason not to take them down.
Probably right, Sean. That's why we have you along. You can figure that stuff out for us.
I don't think it's kids.
Oh, okay.
You know? It's too well constructed.
What'd she say?
She doesn't think it's kids.
It's too well constructed.
Okay.
Push on it, see if it falls.
Yeah. We'll see how well constructed. Oh, there's a step up into it, though. Did you see that?
Yeah. Looks like there might be a foundation.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Is there a foundation?
Camera.
Well, Ambika says these are not raspberries, and because you can see it's not, because it's like a tree of some sort, so, or a bush. I don't think raspberries grow like that.
Did you say they weren't raspberries?
Yeah, I think you're right. Because it's more of a bush, and I don't think raspberries are bushes.
Raspberries are one.
Yeah, and these are definitely not that.
Vines with nasty thorns on them.
So,
You have to swim across the river.
it seems that way.
Yeah, if your feet got squishy like 3 times, then it's a river.
We all did the log.
Oh, look, it's blooming.
Uh-huh.